Hello everyone, in this video we are going to rename our final part so that we can turn it in and have it printed and graded. So this is my part right here. Right now it just has the name part 1. Okay, we need to change that to follow a format that will make it easier for me to sort out the prints and get everything printed how they need to be. So once you're completely done with your part, so this is my part that I made, okay, I'm completely done. I'm gonna exit out of that. Okay, then I'm gonna go back to my folder. I'm gonna find where it's saved. So mine's saved in my project folder here. I'm gonna rename this. So right click, then go down all the way to the bottom and rename. And we're going to start with the color. So I'll say I want blue. Then you're going to type your first and last name. Or sorry, your period first. So I'll just say period 0. You need to say which period you're in. Then your name. And then a short description of what you made. So like one word, I would say star. And then how many grams it is. So you need to make sure you put it in MakerBot and get a gram reading. Mine was fairly small, about 20 grams. Okay, so this is the file name that I want you to have. That way when you turn it into Classroom and I download them all, I'll have like 100 files or so, and this will make it so that I don't lose anything, and I can make sure that you get yours printed correctly. Alright, so this is a SolidWorks file. This is what you need to turn in to me in order to have it printed. Now, when you turn this in, same thing as before, I can't grade that file. So after you rename it, you're going to open it back up, and you're going to File, Save As. Okay, this is all the same things that we've done before. Okay, you're going to leave the same name and also save a PDF version. Okay, and that PDF version is what I will actually be able to grade in Classroom. So when you turn in your project, you're going to need to turn in the PDF and the SolidWorks part file, both into Google Classroom. One is for me to print and one is for me to grade. Okay, if you have a little bit more of a complex design, so let me pull this back up. Let's say I had words on the back too, or I had something else I wanted to show. It's okay to turn in more than one PDF. In fact, you should turn in more than one PDF if you have more complicated design than this. Okay, so to do that, you just rotate it however you need to. This would be isometric view. And then you can use the view block here to get different views. So if I wanted to show something on the back, rotate it to the back, and then do the same steps. So File, Save As. Okay, and then you are going to have to change the name a little bit. So I would just add a picture 2 at the end, and then save that as a PDF. Okay, so if you have more than one view that you need to save, do that, and then you'll turn in all 3 of those files to me so that I can grade them and print them. Alright, that's all for this video. Hey, again, make sure you rename following this format. There's a document in the Google Classroom that shows you how to do that, and make sure you attach enough files so that you can get it printed and graded.